If you have issues with Wi-Fi not working properly on Google Pixel 11, let me show you what you can do to try to fix your issues. So the first thing that you can do is you can open Settings, then go to Network and Internet. And the first thing that is, I think, quite obvious, but still I think it's worth mentioning, is the airplane mode. So if you use airplane mode, you will not have access to the Wi-Fi. So of course you want to turn it off. I know that it might sound silly, but sometimes airplane mode can be activated even by accident, and we might not be aware of that. So of course you want to make sure that airplane mode is off. Besides that, we can also go to the adaptive connectivity, and over here we can find auto switch to mobile network. So here we can read that this option ensures connectivity when Wi-Fi is poor or unavailable. And of course data charges may apply. So if you don't really use mobile data at all and you rely just on your Wi-Fi, and if you happen to have a poor connection just for a moment, the phone might switch the connection to the mobile data. So in that case, you might want to turn this option off just to make sure that it never happens. So if you do have Wi-Fi, if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you stay connected to Wi-Fi even if the connection is poor. Besides that, usually if you go to the Wi-Fi option over here, if you, for example, tap on the mobile data that you have in here, then the phone will switch from Wi-Fi connection to mobile data connection. So of course you might want to simply tap on the Wi-Fi again in case it doesn't say connected in here below the network that you are connected to. Now, in addition to that, we can also go to the internet option, of course. And in here, in the upper right corner, we have this button that allows us to simply and quickly reset the connection. So you want to tap on this button if you can. In my case, unfortunately, settings now are frozen, but there we go. It did in fact reset. So in case the menu freezes or settings freezes, you can just simply wait until it's done. I'm pretty sure it's going to continue anyway. And most likely you will reconnect to your Wi-Fi that you haven't connected to before, and Wi-Fi should be re-enabled as well. I'm gonna actually close settings and reopen them because it doesn't stop showing up. It doesn't stop popping out this message. So in here, of course, you should be able to automatically reconnect to your network, the one that you are probably the closest to, or the one that provides the strongest signal. And in case you still don't have Wi-Fi, or if you have like problems with the Wi-Fi, you can also just turn off Wi-Fi and turn it back on. Sometimes a very simple turn off and turn on of this switcher, it might actually solve some of the issues, so give it a try. Now, if you have been connected to a Wi-Fi before, but now you have problem with the Wi-Fi, like you cannot use it, for example, or it has poor connection or something, or you just cannot properly connect to it, you can go to the settings and you can simply forget the network completely. You want to remove the network from your phone, and then of course you will have to connect to your Wi-Fi again. If you have entered an incorrect password, if you try to connect to the Wi-Fi, like if you tap on it, then of course in the case of incorrect password, you will have the option to enter the new password again. So if the Wi-Fi password has changed or something, then you will still have the option to do so. Or you can go to network details and tap on this pen in order to set the new password that should be used to connect to the Wi-Fi. If you are connected to Wi-Fi and after some time your Wi-Fi disconnects, then here in these settings you can also check auto connect. So even if you get disconnected, if that option is enabled, then your phone should make sure that you can get reconnected to that network once it is available. So of course you can check if that option is on. And besides that, what you can also do, in case still you cannot really connect to the network, or actually if you cannot find your network here on this list, it is not available here on this list of networks, and it is not available here on the list above. Even though you have been connected to the network, if you still want to forget it, to try to pair, or actually to try to connect to that network again, then you should be able to scroll all the way down and go to saved networks. And then in here, you can of course simply choose the network that should be removed. So let's say if I go here, then I have the forget option, and then we should be able to easily erase the network and try to connect to it again once it appears, of course, on this list. Besides that, keep in mind that if you use a VPN, for example, there are some rare chances, but still, it might happen, that there are some issues with the VPN server or with the VPN connection. So if you use a VPN profile in here, or if you use a third-party VPN app, you might want to go here or there to the app and simply turn off a VPN, at least temporarily, to see if that helps. Also, if you, for example, tried to set up a private DNS mode, and for example, if it failed or something, you might want to switch back to automatic option, which is the default option, and the recommended one. So if you made any changes here, just switch back to automatic, at least for now, to see if that helps. And if you still cannot really use Wi-Fi on your Google Pixel 11, another thing that you can do is you can simply restart your phone. So if you go to the power menu, so we can open the quick settings panel or control center and tap on this power button in the bottom right corner, then over here you should be able to find the reset or restart option actually. So you can of course tap on it, wait for the phone to reboot, and then see if it helps. Sometimes simple restarting the device can actually be quite helpful. Maybe something went wrong with the Wi-Fi module or something, so of course you can restart your phone to try to fix this. Also, here in settings, we can go to system settings, and in system settings at the bottom, you can find reset options. Here in reset options, we can find the reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi option. Unfortunately, we cannot separate it, so if you decide to reset Bluetooth, you will also, if you try to reset Wi-Fi, you will also reset Bluetooth, which means that you will have to not only connect to all your Wi-Fi networks again, but also you will have to pair all your Bluetooth devices one more time. But this resetting usually solves all of the issues with Wi-Fi, so I recommend you using that if everything else fails. So you can reset the Wi-Fi on your phone with the Bluetooth. Of course, afterwards you will have to go back to network and internet, and go to the internet, and you will have to connect to your Wi-Fi network again. But then I'm pretty certain that Wi-Fi is going to work as long as the Wi-Fi itself works correctly, which brings me to the last point of this video. What you can do is you can also use another device that uses Wi-Fi. So if you have, let's say, a tablet or laptop or a computer, or just anything that uses Wi-Fi in general, if you can use the same Wi-Fi on that other device, the same one that you use on your Google Pixel 11, then you can check if you have access to Wi-Fi on that other device, if the Wi-Fi works fine on those other devices. If, of course, it does, then most likely resetting Wi-Fi settings should help on your Google Pixel 11, but if the Wi-Fi doesn't work on other devices as well, then it means that probably you have an issue with the Wi-Fi itself rather than with Wi-Fi on your phone, so you might want to deal with that first before you try to do anything on your Google Pixel 11. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.